Day and night animals. When can you see a butterfly? Day. When can you see a moth? Night. When can you see a blackbird? Day. When can you see an owl? Night. When can you see a squirrel? Day. When can you see a bat? Night. When can you see a chicken? Day. When can you see a fox? Night. Day, butterfly, blackbird, squirrel, and chicken. Night, moth, owl, bat, fox.